One monkey owns 2,000 banana companies. This monkey has never sold a banana. This monkey has never grown a banana. This monkey has never even seen a banana. But this monkey is very, very rich. How? Shell companies. A shell company is a company that does nothing. No banana, no workers, no treehouse, no little monkey answering phone, just a name on a piece of paper. It is empty, like a banana peel with the banana already gone. That is why monkey call it a shell. All shell, no snack. On paper, it looks like a real business. In real life, it is a ghost. Now, why would monkey want a company that does nothing? Say bad monkey has 10,000 leaves. Leaves bad monkey got in ways bad monkey does not want to explain. Maybe bad monkey stole the leaves. Maybe bad monkey sold something he should not. Point is, the leaves are dirty. If bad monkey walk into bank with 10,000 dirty leaves, bank asks, where leaves come from? Bad monkey sweats. Bad monkey stammers. Bad monkey says, birthday. Bank not convinced. So bad monkey does not use bank at all. Bad monkey builds a shell instead. Bad monkey names his shell company Banana Solutions Limited. Sounds fancy. Sounds legit. Is nothing. Now, bad monkey says the dirty leaves are payment for banana consulting. What is banana consulting? Nobody knows. There is no banana. There is no consulting. But now the leaves look clean. Dirty leaves go in one end. Clean-looking leaves come out the other. This is called money laundering, because monkey washed the leaves. But one shell is not enough. Smart bad monkey builds a shell inside a shell inside a shell. Banana Solutions owns Tropical Holdings. Tropical Holdings owns Yellow Ventures. Yellow Ventures owns Bad Monkey's Beach Treehouse. Now when someone asks, who owns the treehouse? The answer is a company, owned by a company, owned by a company. Regulator Monkey follows the trail. Regulator Monkey gets dizzy. Regulator Monkey gives up. And where does Bad Monkey build all these shells? Not in his own country. Bad Monkey builds them on a tiny island where the government asks no questions and charges almost no tax. This is called a tax haven. Palm trees, warm water, zero paperwork. The island makes money just letting monkeys register empty companies. Thousands of companies live in one small mailbox. Busiest mailbox on Earth. No monkey inside. Let monkey show numbers. Bad monkey earns 100,000 leaves in banana land, where tax is 30%. Normally, monkey pays 30,000 leaves to government. Ouch. But bad monkey sends the whole 100,000 to Yellow Ventures on Palm Island, where tax is 0. Bad monkey pays nothing. Then Yellow Ventures lends the leaves back to bad monkey. A loan is not income, so bad monkey pays no tax on that either. Same leaves, same monkey. Just spun in a circle until the tax disappears. Regulator Monkey knocks on the door. Hello, is anyone home at Banana Solutions Limited? Silence. Just a mailbox and a lizard. Regulator Monkey whispers, it's an inside job. No, wait, it's a no-side job, because nobody is inside. Monkey will see himself out. This is not just cartoon. Real monkeys do this with real leaves. A few years ago, a giant pile of secret papers leaked out of one of these island law offices. Millions of documents, and inside, the whole trick was exposed. Presidents, celebrities, crime monkeys, business monkeys, all using the same empty shells to hide the same clean-looking leaves. Trillions of leaves sitting in the shadows, paying no tax, while normal monkey pays tax on every single banana he buys. Normal monkey works hard. Normal monkey plays fair. Normal monkey stressed. Normal monkey tired of this. Now, one thing. Not every shell company is bad. Sometimes a big banana business makes a shell to hold property, or to start in a new country, or to keep a risky project separate and safe. That is legal. That is boring. That is fine. The shell is just a tool. A hammer can build a treehouse, or it can bonk a monkey. The problem is not the shell. The problem is the monkey hiding inside it. So how do monkeys fix this? One word: sunlight. Governments now demand the beneficial owner, the real monkey who actually pockets the leaves, must put his real name on a list. No more hiding behind Banana Solutions. If Regulator Monkey can see who is really inside the shell stops working. Some islands are being pushed to share their secret lists. Some banks now ask hard questions before leaves come in. Slowly, the mailboxes are getting windows. What does this mean for you? If someone promises to hide your leaves in a magic offshore company, that is not a life hack. That is a prison hack. If a business has huge money but no product, no workers, and no address, be suspicious. And remember, this is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. Monkey barely owns Appeal. Thank you for watching Primate Portfolio. If this made shell companies finally make sense, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell Monkey down in the comments what you want explained with bananas next. Until then, stay curious and keep your leaves clean.